Yo guys, what's up? So today we're just gonna go over a late night session on what GJ is doing, GBPUSD, gold. Finally, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of the Flip 2000 plan, how you can take $100 to $2,000. And also we're gonna look at how we bought Ethereum at $2,023. And right now we're riding over $3,000. What you could do with the next future cryptocurrency is. So let's start with GJ. The daily is super bearish until now. We saw a higher low being formed, and we're seeing that a higher high is about to be formed, or maybe we're trying to form a triple high, a pool of liquidity about a triple high. Let's go to the 4-hour, and what do we see? As expected, the market is very slow in the 4-hour, so there's not much to look at. Let's go to the 1-hour. Look at a few entries we attempted. One entry we're already in profit with, around 25 to 30 pips. A very nice 1:3 setup. Now, we need to also see what the higher time frame is trying to say, that we might come back to 153.6 area to get a proper buy entry. 152.6 area. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up with GBPUSD. So we see a less volume, but still very nice structural bearishness. I want to see the trend line get taken out so we can come back to our zone. We also got to consider it is sitting at a very nice fib position of 61.8 and 78.6, 88.6 of a smaller time frame structure. So we could get a shorter position right around here too. On the daily, we are still retracing back to the 1.36 area. It's been very slow this week like we expected. So let's see what we can see in terms of the GAN box. We do see a nice 50% of the imbalance level. A very short bullish movement of 70-80 pips on GU. Let's jump to the 1-hour. In the 1-hour, if we draw some Fibonacci, we're going to see that we're sitting at an 88.6 level. The 88.6 level here, I don't think is probably going to hold. But also considering the bearishness we're forming, we might get a 1.27 level off of the 1.3920 area we are looking for. Now, like I keep saying, this week is a test of all of our patience. We just got to see for proper structure to form. Let's jump into gold. Gold, like I said, it's going to go really slow after the fast drop of almost 1,000 pips. It did do a few 300-400 pip movement to the upside, but honestly, unless proper structure forms, gold is still forming a triple bottom. So what I mean to say is, if you look at it, gold did not really clear out the liquidity. It has a very big wick, but it still is a very nice triple bottom, which I'm going to extend right now, just to see that. Look, this is not a liquidity hunt. Even if we have a bullish movement for the time being, gold is very imminent to come back and take out this liquidity. 3 equal structure. In terms of the retail traders, they might call it a break of support. I will call it a huge stop hunt. Alright? Since we still have a waiting game for gold, let's jump into a sneak peek of the Flip 2000 plan. When gold, GJ and GU comes back to proper structure, fast movements, it is a very good opportunity to take a few $100 or a few $1,000s to over 2,000-3,000% gain in literally 90 days. It is a high probability gamble. You are not supposed to do it with all of your capital, but with 5-6% of your capital, it is something which really works. We have also provided the top 3 confirmations, which has always worked for me, doing flips of $800 to $123,000 in the same 90 days, the calculator, a nice poster to always tell yourself the only 4 possibilities for me are small win, big win, small loss, and break even. I never have a big loss. Lastly, a special letter to yourself from your future self to actually affirm your goals. This has changed my trading game every time I read this letter from my future self, even for my personal life. So basically, once you get the plan, you get a 50% off for the next 14 days for all of our other plans, and you get to make some compounded return fast on your capital. If you're interested, DM Ministry of Consistency for Flip 2000. I will provide all the details right after all the analysis has been done. Now let's jump into Ethereum. So the buy entry for Ethereum has been very different from what it is common for currency pairs and metals. Here we saw a break of structure. The trend traders, they tried to short Ethereum. And then I just waited for a big impulsive institutional move. So initially we did not get that. We just had small bullish candles forming. But right after $2,100, I saw a big impulsive move. Got a very nice 78.6 with everyone. With the group chat of what's out of investing on, we got an entry around the 2080, 2020, and 2120 level. And we're riding a very nice 23% net gain, risking 5% off our crypto portfolio. So I'm just going to draw the risk reward to show you the possibility of what Ethereum did. It's still sitting around 3,243. Maybe this bullishness, this bull run will give us $3,700. And as I draw, a very nice 1:4 risk reward trade, guys. For cryptocurrency, that is wonderful. In terms of a higher time frame perspective, I don't really think Ethereum can break the 4,400 level. That is off of the past 3 market structures. But maybe if we do have a change in market structure, we could see $6,000-$7,000 form. So I personally don't have a lot of data, a lot of experience, only 2 years of experience in cryptocurrency, not a lot of market data. So we just gotta wait. So let's look at another currency which has been doing really well. I have weighted a lot of my portfolio against it. That is ADA, Cardano. I've been talking about it ever since it was below a cent. Right now, Cardano is actually at 1.86. We got buys off Cardano around 50 cents in our group chat. And look, if you have spare profits coming off of your trading account, I would urge you to buy Cardano because...
So we had a super slow week, no real entries, just a GGA buy from 30 pips. But if you're looking to make money still, first of all, buy some Cardano. Secondly, the Flip 2000 plan will really help you flip your money. But if you only have $100, $200, $300 on your total net worth, you don't need the Flip 2000. What you need is to contact me. Email me if you have below $1,000 and I will help you for free. If you're looking for help, if you have some capital, if you're trying to make $100, turn it into $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 over 90 days, contact me for Flip 2000. Contact Ministry of Consistency. I'm going to provide all of our socials right here. And finally, thank you very much for watching. See you very soon.